for a little drive.
Just a short one. Just gonna go check out, see what some of the trails that we normally go on. We got James in his Jeep and JG in his Forester. So yeah, we're just gonna go check it out, see what it looks like. Hope you enjoy this short trip. So we're here. We are in Beaumont. Looks like there's not a lot of snow, which is a good sign. But we'll still see how far we can actually go. I think we should probably walk this one first.
Yeah. Go for a walk, see how it is. The only sketcy part there was like that one mud hole up there.
Yeah, they flattened that out.
They did? Yeah.
Yeah. This place amazes me every time, honestly. It doesn't matter what season, it's the greenery, it's like...
I slept one night just by the fire pit. It was like, could set up camp right there.
Oh yeah.
Fire.
This would be fun for you, man. You'd be fine, go left and right.
Yeah, at first I was no way, but I could do on the left side.
That's the one thing about this trail here is like the ice, it forms and it just makes it even more challenging, so... Insane view, eh? I just love this area. I just didn't know how bad it was, so.
I didn't even struggle, so.
Yeah, you're fine, man. You're totally fine.
When you messaged me this morning, I was just like, do I want to get...
Yeah, but every time you say no, you're like, I should have gone. Yeah. Make it all right?
Oh yeah,
I figured. Why don't you keep it for some footage on your end?
Yeah.
Perspective.
Yeah, he started like hopping a bit closer to a tree. I'm sure he got a little nervous. He got a little close to a tree there on the right.
See you, dude. Bye, James. Well, that was a great afternoon. It's good to just have a small little crew, go out and enjoy the nature and get out. That's all we need to do. Did you have fun?
I did. Found a new waterfall today.
You found what?
A new waterfall.
You found another waterfall. We're gonna have to go explore it sometime soon. Until next time, take care.